Hi, how are you? I hope everyone is doing great. This is SP. Welcome to my channel Autotech SP. Talking about the segment which is much more attracted to the audience is the middle range mobiles. Let's stroll the topic. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. It has the display of Infinity U Super AMOLED display with a Gorilla Glass 3 in-display fingerprint sensor. It has 6.6 inches HD plus 60 Hz refresh rate with 84.3% screen to body ratio and a resolution of 720p with a 266 pixel per inch density. The whole body looks slim and weighs about 190 grams. It has a hybrid dual SIM card with a 5G plus a 4G connectivity. This phone runs with Android 11 One UI 3.1 with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G 8nm. The CPU is octa-core 2 GHz and GPU is Adreno 619. It has a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel. When we talk about the main primary camera of the Samsung M42 is 48 megapixel with the f1.8 aperture with wide angle lens and 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle, 5 megapixel of f2.4 which is macro, 5 megapixel f2.4 at depth sensor. When it comes to video recording, it records 4K 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps and 720p at 480 fps. 720p 480 fps will give you pretty good slow motion videos. When it comes to selfie camera, it has single 20 megapixel f2.2 wide angle lens. When it comes to video, it records 1080p at 30 fps, no 4K in selfie camera. When it comes to memory card slot, there is no dedicated memory card slot in Samsung M42 model, and it has internal storage of 128GB with a 6GB RAM, and it has another variant of 128GB and 8GB RAM, which is more than sufficient, and it has a flash storage of 2.1. It has read speed of 521 MB per second and write speed of 272 MB per second. It has 5000 mAh battery, which allows like fast charging, but it only offers a 15 volts charger in the box. Xiaomi and other brands, they are offering like 25 watts as minimum. Samsung should consider this as well in the coming generations. It has Bluetooth 5.0. It also includes NFC. It comes with USB Type-C. Galaxy products launched since 2019, including the Z, S, Note, A, M, X covers and Tab series will now receive at least 4 years of security upgrades, which is announced in 22nd of February 2021. The Android upgrades for 3 years. Normally it used to be like 2 years for other companies. So it is also win-win situation in both the security and the Android upgrades. Now coming to this review, when we talk about the screen, it has a Super AMOLED of a 60 Hz refresh rate with a 422/450 nits brightness, which is a really good in the sun daylights. When it comes to camera department, primary camera, it has a good colors in it. Ultra wide is good as well, and 10x zoom is average, and nighttime photo is also average, but night mode is improved well. Selfie cam is good, the colors are good, and when it comes to performance, in this price range, it has a 750G Snapdragon, which is the best. The segment gives best in the performance of this price range. It contains knock security. It has a slim body, holds well in hand. It won't slip that easily. Now coming to the screen on time is 11 hours plus, which is quite good in the segment. No major heat while playing games, which is also a good for the gaming lovers. It includes Dolby Atmos, which is also gives you better experience while playing the games. When coming to the con, it has 720p or HD plus display only with a 266 pixel per inch, which is not so sharp enough if you read any articles or blogs, any news reading. etc. No dedicated micro SD card, which is also a sacrifice for cost cutting. It has a plastic body, which is glossy finish of a back, 15 watts fast charger, which takes 2 hours plus to charge fully. This is my viewpoint for the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G model. I did not use it personally, but did my own research for you to choose it or not to choose it. If you want technical video of the Samsung Galaxy M42, just comment down below. And finally, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon and support my channel. Thank you for watching. I will get another video. Till then, have a great day and be safe and keep smiling.